Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. I am coming at you on this beautiful yet gloomy Tuesday morning. It's cloudy and cold, but nonetheless, we are here. And I am already out and about. I am on my way to a follow-up appointment with my rheumatologist for my fibromyalgia, and boy do I need to see him. I've been having a lot of flare-ups lately, and I don't know what it is. I mean, I don't know. I've just been in so much pain lately, and even though I've been in pain, I've still been working out because I feel even worse when I don't work out. So I've been pushing through the pain, but then today it's like even worse. Like it hurts just to sit here driving. So yeah. So I have to do that. And then I've been having a lot of migraines lately too, which is not fun. Let me see. So yeah, so I have to go see him, and then I have to go pick up. I didn't do grocery shopping this week, so I'm thinking, I don't know if I should go do grocery shopping or if I just should grab whatever I'm gonna make for dinner, like today, tomorrow, and then do a full grocery shopping on Thursday. I don't know, but yeah. Breakfast today, I don't know if you could really call it breakfast. I got myself a large iced decaf, and then I added some heavy cream to it at the house. And I didn't get Splenda today just because, I don't know, I wasn't in the mood for it. But yeah, so all it is decaf coffee over ice, and I put 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream into it, and that's it. I'm not really hungry. I'm more thirsty than anything, so yeah. And then I have been craving chicken wings. It's hilarious because we had chicken wings on Sunday. I don't know if you guys follow me on the blog at all, but if you do, then you'll know what I'm talking about. If you don't, I was sent this bottle of truff hot sauce, and basically what that is truffle infused hot sauce. And I got the black truffle one. Oh my gosh, is that amazing. Not to mention that the bottle is like gorgeous looking. But yeah, so they, along with like their bottle, they had sent me a recipe for their truffalo is what they call it, the truffalo wings. And oh my gosh, so I made it on Sunday for us to have while we watched the Super Bowl, and I was hooked on it to the point where yesterday I wanted more. But of course I did not make any more, but I wanted to, yeah, but I've been like craving chicken wings. So I think I'm just going to make some regular chicken wings with some of the G. Hughes barbecue sauce. I absolutely love the G. Hughes honey barbecue. And so I think that is what I'm going to have. Or maybe for lunch. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, so what are you guys up to today? Why don't you come along with me on my day and we'll see what I eat throughout the day, if I eat anything, because I have not been hungry. You know what I've noticed? That whenever I get fibro flare-ups, I like lose my appetite. So, yeah. I don't know what it is. But yeah, so I'm going to be sipping on my coffee probably all morning because that's what I do. And then I'll talk to you guys after my appointment so I can show you guys if I'm eating anything else. And I'll let you guys know what he said. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Okay, guys. So the doctor's was good. He had several things. He did lab work, and then we're gonna wait for the lab work to come back in order for him to actually know what's going on, is what he said. Then what did I do? I went to Aldi, I went to Trader Joe's, picked up a few things, and I was hungry on the way back. Not like starving, but snackish, you know? And so I ate one of these olive packs from Trader Joe's. I absolutely love these. These are the manzanilla olives, and they are so good. I absolutely love these. The macros are really good. There's, let's see, two servings per container, less than 1 gram of carbs, but the dietary fiber is also less than 1 gram. Ingredients, very, very clean ingredients. It's just manzanilla olives, olive oil, sea salt, and the lactic acid. So I really, really love these. I ran out at the house, so I picked some up, and then I grabbed one to eat on my way back home. So now I'm just pulled into the driveway. I'm gonna bring down all the groceries and probably make some lunch, and I'll show you guys what I'm having. Okay, so we are gonna make some egg salad for lunch. So I'm gonna first dice up my eggs, and what I do is I use my adorable little egg slicer that my boys got me. And then I put it, I flip it, and then I just do it again. And there it goes. I absolutely love how easy it is with this. So again, and that will be more than enough. So I have 2 eggs. Gonna do some mayo. Do a couple tablespoons of mayonnaise. A little bit of mustard. My God, the boys would have a blast. Okay, with the farting noises. Okay, so a little bit of mustard. Then I like to put a little bit of dill. I don't know, I did like 3 pinches. I don't usually measure, guys, but this is all to your liking anyway. I like white pepper, but you can definitely use whichever pepper you like. Then I do garlic powder. And some onion powder. course, some salt. A splash of apple cider vinegar. Not a whole bunch, just a little splash. Okay, and then you can just give it a good mix. Now, I usually like to add dill relish to this, but I didn't have any today, so I'm just gonna and then of course you want to taste it to make sure that it's to your liking. Once everything is incorporated, just gonna take a little bit. That is so good. Okay, there you have it. This is a lot of egg salad for me, so I won't be eating all of that right now. So what I'm gonna do is, there we go. Actually, yeah, okay, so let's do that. And I am gonna weigh out in ounces. So I know how much I'll eat. Probably be about 2 ounces, to be honest with you. Yep, there you go, 2 ounces. I don't know if you can see that. But 2 ounces, and that'll be what I'm having. And then I will save the rest for later. Hey guys, so this is dinner. It is a chicken breast stuffed with asparagus and cheddar cheese. I got them already like wrapped up and everything over at Aldi's. And all I had to do was pop them in the oven and bake them, and they were so good. I actually untied mine and opened it up so you guys could see what it was stuffed with. But it was perfect, a great size, and it was 3 net carbs. So that is amazing. That is what was dinner. Okay guys, so it's 11:30. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog. I showed you guys a picture of what dinner was for me. Those chicken stuffed asparagus, no, those asparagus stuffed chicken were amazing. I had one, it was perfect. I didn't have anything on the side or anything because I wasn't like super hungry, so I knew that I wasn't going to eat more than that. But yeah, all right guys, thanks for joining me on my day. See you guys at the next video. Bye.